So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Much Free campaign, we go about looking at how we can change the language which we use inside WhatsApp. Now by default, we may be using the English language within WhatsApp. It's very possible that you can change this language to the language of your choice. Let's today look at how this is done. Tap on any of the contact and tap on the message box so that the keyboard opens up. Now here, if you see, we have this small little grid and this grid is nothing but this grid is basically the settings. So I tap on the settings and here I will see that the first option that is here speaks of languages. I tap on that and you will see that the only language added at present is English. I click on add keyboard. So this is where the magic really happens. You may add Bangla, Oriya, Marathi, Tamil, any of the keyboards. So you basically have to add the language keyboard. Say for example, I want to add the Hindi keyboard. Even when you add the language keyboard, you will see there are certain options. So there is this pure Hindi keyboard, then there is a handwriting keyboard, there is a compact keyboard. Well, it's really on what you want to use, like, when you are basically adding a keyboard. Once done, click on done and click on add keyboard. I mean, it's already added. But still there are a few steps that remain. Now when I go back, you will see that besides the English language, I also have two Hindi keyboards. So I have now three keyboards which I can use. So now how do I get into those keyboards? Because here in the spacebar, I can see only the English keyboard is being used. So just long press this. When you long press this, you will see that the option to change the keyboards come in. So you can now decide to use any of the keyboards that you want. If it's a pure Hindi keyboard that you want, you simply do this and the keyboard changes. Again, if you want to change back to English, just long press this and you have the option of changing the keyboard back to English. Let me do one thing. Let me long press and take it to Hindi. And now you can see whatever I type will be the Hindi script. So this is how you would be doing in a OnePlus Nord. The steps are a little different, like when you use a Samsung device and any other make. So we will be looking at separate videos. Let me know in the comment section which mobile you have so that we can make dedicated tutorials for your type of mobile set. So hopefully now you know how you can very well add a different language keyboard and then go ahead and use that keyboard by long pressing the space bar. In a Samsung, you simply have to swipe to the right or the left. So it doesn't work like this. Anyways, if today's tutorial helped, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Please press on the bell icon so that you get notifications of our work. And please do share this with your friends and family. Until next time, it's me Amlan signing off.